Hi, and welcome to Morning Coffee with Pizzan Academy. I'm Deanna, and I want to talk to you today about an amazing online resource that was started in 2006, and I've actually just learned about it. I was reading Smithsonian Magazine, and there was an article about the Biodiversity Heritage Library. This was started by a consortium of natural history museums, including the Smithsonian, and they got together and they started digitizing works from different naturalists. And these would be people that would go out into the environment and make sketches of birds and plants. They would do these cross diagrams and they started digitizing them. And what started out with about 250 images now has over 150,000 images that you can use. So why would this be important to you? Well, if you're homeschooling or if your kid is doing a science project, or even if you're just curious about the natural world, this is an amazing resource for you. You can go online to the Biodiversity Heritage Library and you can search for different plants or animals. They have sketches, and what's really unique is when you look at a picture of, say, a plant or a fruit, you only see the outside. But these sketches from these early biologists and naturalists, they would cut the fruit open or they would kind of dissect the plant and they would draw the different parts. So you can see both inside and outside of the plant or fruit all at the same time. It's remarkable. Now, these early drawings, some even date back to the 1400s, and they go all the way up to the 1900s, and these drawings are remarkable. They are so anatomically accurate. A lot of them are in color, and so you can see the color of the animals. Some of the things that you're going to find on there are now extinct, and so you can go back and see what plants or animals once lived in these different areas because they go back so far. They also have regional areas. So if you're doing a report, say, on Southeast Asia, you can go and look and see what plants and animals would have been indigenous to that area. And then you can use the images in your report. And so the amount of information is so interesting. Now, I started doing some paper crafting, and these images are amazing for that. Just to make a greeting card for a friend or a family member, so you can download and you can be creative with that as well. The images that you'll find in this database, particularly of the flora and the fauna, the plants and animals that you'll see, were even sometimes done by people that were doing some medical experiments or some experimentation as herbologists. And in some of the cases, you'll see their field notes have been scanned as well, which is remarkable to see what they were studying, what questions they were trying to answer, and it's just this amazing repository of information. This is one of the incredible opportunities of having the internet, is that all of this information, which were once housed behind closed doors in these institutions that you had to apply to see and to study, are now just out there for anybody to use and to study and to enjoy, to appreciate this heritage from the past. If you're enjoying our videos, please subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, share with your friends. We also have links to social media in the description below. I'll put a link to the Biodiversity Heritage Library as well as to the Smithsonian article that I referred to in the video below. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.